The structure pictured here has an inflation fan inflating 2 layers of greenhouse plastic, and you can see here the plastic is nice and tight due to the inflation. There are 3 main reasons you would want an inflation fan. It helps insulate, it provides wind protection, and it helps shed snow. Here's an example of how a double layer might protect against wind. You see here the plastic is moving. This is a single layer system where the plastic hasn't had the double layer secured yet. Just a light breeze coming through, but already the plastic is moving a lot. While just to the left of this tunnel there is a double layer inflated system and the wind isn't moving at all. You can see there. With snow shedding, there's outside pressure, so it's pushing out on the tunnel itself, on the plastic, and this helps shed snow. And in addition to the pressure, it's going to be warmer inside the tunnel, so it's going to help shed snow. You can see here the pressure is very great, and it's kind of helping break down the snow. Even though no one has pushed on that itself, it's coming on down. And finally, the insulation factor. Your double layer system will be warmer, and so you'll have slower heat dissipation through the night, and you'll be able to grow more food, and you'll have healthier food that looks better. If you're not into food, the same applies for other plants as well. So to recap the reasons why having a double layer inflation system is beneficial: it helps insulate, it protects against wind, and it helps shed snow.